You can. Hi, Divo. Don't like you. Alright, let's get back into it and see what happens. Land the chopper.
Get part of this nutritionally balanced dino breakfast.
Excellent. Now I just need to get this water into the main supply and we'll be done.
Seems quite calm right now. I like it. Uh-oh. Game's not responding. We're okay.
That's it, Jess. We did it.
We did.
Jess, come up here. I want you to see this.
It's so beautiful.
This is how nature intended these animals to exist.
Wow. With all the running away I've been doing, I haven't had time to really appreciate them.
What are you doing that noise?
Oh, girl, take it easy.
What's wrong with that one?
Oh, no.
Oh no! Oh no, it's the raptor! It's the raptor! Oh, Jerry, get the hell out of there! Go, Jerry, Jerry! Oh no! Oh, Jerry. Oh, no, I just got eaten. On to the second. Alright. We're back. Sorry about that. Ah, God. That's fighting. Ah! Okay. We're not doing this again. You know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm really gonna try it. Oh man, that's not good. Let's see if this does anything, because I literally am pressing this Y button like crazy. Those raptors like, yummy. I didn't like this, and I don't like it now. So, that is a monster. I like it. Ooh.
You are lucky to be alive, Jerry. I've never seen anyone outrun a velociraptor before.
Where did they come from? What are they doing out here?
Must have escaped from the quarantine pen somehow.
Raptors are highly intelligent. They'll find a way up here if
There's
we give
only
enough
3
time.
raptors.
Yes!
Oh,
It's Yoder!
oh,
We're down
yeah.
here!
Yoder.
Down here!
Like stuff. This just got interesting. Guess what, guys? It's the end of the cavalry, and I'm gonna see you guys next time on on that one. Oh God, stretch. God. Da, 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 da. So that episode was filled with a lot of action pack. It was fun. The puzzle, the roller coaster wasn't really fun. The Herosaurus I didn't like. And the freaking the rotating arrow button I don't like. It actually worked a little bit better since I've messed with the graphics a little bit. I'm sorry if the graphics are a little bit down. My controller is like weird when it is on a higher thing. But I'll try to catch you guys next time on the next video, and we'll be on the 3rd chapter. See you guys later. Peace out!